Hello, boys and girls. So, today it's Music Theory 101. Yes, 101, Music Theory 101, and we're going to talk about modal scales. Yes, the Phrygian mode, the Ionian mode, the Lydian, the Locrian, and Mixolydian, all those lovely modes. Yes. So in case you've been confused about these bloody modes and how do I do the Phrygian scale, how do I do this mode, today we're gonna clarify that. Although we're gonna be talking about modern Western modes. Okay, there's other type of modes, the ancient modes, right? And there's modes with different tunings as well, but we're gonna talk about the modern ones. So I hope this will help you in any way possible with your productions and show you and clarify all the freaking questions you have in your head. So check it out. Let's go.
Breath and in, breath and out.
So let's see what modal scales really are, how to use them, and how to find them. So if we look at our C major scale, right here, all the white keys in the keyboard, right? Easy enough. C major scale, really easy. If we look at it, we'll notice that it has a certain interval sequence. So tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Okay? So how to find all the others? And it's really easy. If we focus on the major scale in C, right? The C major scale is exactly the same scale as the Ionian scale. Ionian scale has the same interval sequence. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, right? And it's exactly the same notes. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. So C major scale, Ionian scale, the same, okay? Now, when we get to the Dorian mode, the Dorian mode is relative to the second degree of the major scale. So the second degree of the major scale, it's D, right? So this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth degree, okay? You got that, right? So we got the same here on this graphic. First, the second, Dorian mode. The third is the Phrygian mode. So what this means is that C major scale notes are the same notes that Dorian in D has. So Dorian in D has the same notes as the C major scale and the Ionian scale, which is exactly the same as the C major scale, right? And if we go to the third degree of the major scale, which is E, we find Phrygian mode. So the Phrygian mode in E, right? Phrygian mode in E has exactly the same notes as the C major scale, right? Exactly the same notes, only it starts at a different interval sequence, right? It doesn't start at tone, tone, semitone. Dorian mode doesn't start at tone, tone, semitone. It starts at the second degree, at the second tone there, at the second interval. So it's tone, semitone. Then 3 tones, 1 semitone, tone. Right? But all these scales have that in common. They have the same interval sequence, only they start at different degrees, right? So if you go to the Lydian mode, is the 4th degree of the major scale. So we go to the C major scale, gotta be the C major scale here. Go to the C major scale, the 4th degree is F. So Lydian, if we start in F, right, we know it's going to be the same notes as the C major scale. So Lydian in F has the same notes as the C major scale. It has the same interval sequence, only it starts at the 4th degree of the C major scale. So instead of tone, tone, semitone, 3 tones, semitone, the Lydian starts at the 3 tones. So tone, 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 semitone, tone, tone, semitone. And it carries on with the other ones, right? To the 5th, the 6th, and the 7th degree, right? Which is B. So when you're composing on a C major scale, you got all these 7 different modes to work with. The Ionian, the Dorian, the Phrygian, the Lydian, the Mixolydian, the Aeolian, and the Locrian. And each, the good thing, right, the good thing about this and working in modes is that each one of these modes has a different mood, right? Some are sad, some are mystical, some are happy. You know, different modes, different moods. That's right. And you're still in the same scale. The only difference is that instead of starting in C, a melody, let's say I'm working on a melody, and I'm doing a melody starting in C. That's a mood. Now, I want to go and do a melody using the Lydian mode. The Lydian mode is my 4th degree of the scale, so I would start my melody using F. Now, I'm start and finish the melody using F, for example. Now I'm in a different mode. I'm in the Lydian mode, right? Same goes for Phrygian and all the others. So one scale, 7 different moods. How cool is that, man? It's awesome what you can do with it. So guys, that's what I leave you with today in this short tutorial. Now go explore with this, and I'll show you how to go from C major or Ionian mode to Phrygian mode really quickly. Well, if I want to be in Phrygian E, I'm already in Phrygian E, right? I'm already in Phrygian E. Here we go, Phrygian E. I got all those. I'll have to do this and move this ahead. And there, that's my Phrygian in E. Okay? Or I could just transpose Phrygian in E. There you go. Same notes, right? Easy. Easy enough. And I can confirm here if I go E and I choose, where is Phrygian? Phrygian, right? You see, same notes as the C major scale. Dude, use this. Use this, dudes. Take care. See you in the next one. Sampled kicks are for losers. Damn right, bro. Be original. Make your own kick. With the Mind Doctor's Make Acid Kick Gel Synth Machine. Aha! Now you know what modes are and how to work with them and how to use them. And I gotta tell you, it's a great tool. I mean, you can change your mood, the mood of your song, whenever you want, really. Even using the major scale. So you can have like happy, sad, mystical, any type of sound using just the major scale. How cool is that? Oh yes, it's very cool. So make good use of this, alright? Go and do some great tunes, man. I want to listen to it. Send it to me. Yeah, and you can send it to me if you want a video analysis. Yes, a video analysis. You can use my services. I got a video analysis service. Yes, not just a video analysis services, but I also do mastering, mixing, and that's right, I do lessons on Skype. Yeah,
through Skype. You're on your computer, I'm on my computer. I'll show you what I'm doing in my computer, showing you what to do and how to improve your music. That's right. You know the drill. Follow me on Twitter, SoundCloud, and Facebook. Right there, yeah? Of course, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my Portuguese channel. Yes, if you understand Portuguese, there's no point in subscribing if you don't. But if you want to subscribe, it's one more subscriber, doesn't hurt. So do it. Now, one other thing that I can't remember right now, that I always forget. Oh yes, of course. Show me some money. Yeah, show me some money. Donate to this channel. Donate to my website so I can improve my website, I can improve my channel, I can keep giving you these cool videos, and I can do some serious interviews to some serious artists that I know you're dying to listen for. Not just artists, but other people that are in the our industry, right? So I know you're dying to use these modal scales right now. I know you are. So I won't keep you anymore. Just grab the computer and use these scales the way I told you to. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.